What are the end results expected when using the PICT method?
The end results expected is, as I've mentioned, resolution, so that the person no longer has the problems that they came to see a PICT therapist about. You will always remember what happened to you. You know, the bad memories will always be bad memories, but they won't hurt anymore. So sometimes people think that resolution means clearing my whole mind, clearing the slate. Well, that would be dangerous because, for instance, if you had a father or a mother who was abusive and you totally forgot that, well, you'd allow your own children to go there and be with that person. Might not be a good idea. You know, so you don't want to forget anything that's happened to you. It's vital information, but you want to stop hurting. So there'll always be bad memories. They just won't have that emotional impact anymore. I mean, if you focused on them and just thought of that old memory, and you thought of it and thought of it and thought about how bad it was then, well, you can work up some feelings, yeah. But you have to really focus on it to do that. I could tell you things that happened to me when I was a kid that could curl your hair and you'd never need a perm. But I don't feel that anymore. And when I talk about it, it's as if I'm telling you somebody else's story because there is no pain involved anymore. I have the memories and I don't want to lose those. Those are valuable to me. But I don't have the pain, and it isn't like a raw wound anymore when I talk about it like it was in the past. If I talked about it in the past, I'd start shaking, I'd start sweating in places I didn't even know I had places, and it would be very upsetting for a period of time afterwards. And it was, I would feel very confused and agitated, you know. Now I could tell you the same stories and even in gory detail, and it doesn't hurt. I don't have any feelings about it. I have a sense of, yes, that was wrong, and a sense of that little kid I was went through a hell of a lot. And I have that compassion and empathy feelings, thank goodness, but I don't have the upset and the hurt and the fear and all of the negativity that goes with that. So resolution is what we aim for with clients, so that they, you know, they get over and don't have the problems anymore. Their perspective about themselves, about others, and about the world has been altered so that they see themselves as a part of the world and see themselves as okay, and also are able to be relieved of all those mistaken beliefs we were talking about, that I'm not good enough, I'm unlovable, I can't get anything right, I'll never be happy, you know, I should never have money, whatever it might be. Be rid of those so that they can start reaching for the stars. They can start thriving. They can begin to reach their full potential and fill their life with the things that they're good at and enjoy doing, all their talent, skills, and abilities. Whereas most of the time, people with a lot of trauma in their childhood, it's very challenging for them to reach for the stars. Very challenging for them to reach their full potential. So the outcome we're aiming for is resolution.